How to buy Monkey, the Wise Monkey token on THENA Fusion. So go and open this token in CoinMarketCap. It's available there. After that, go and click on Markets. Now after that, click on here on THENA Fusion. And after that, click on Trade THENA Fusion, and you will be redirected to their official websites. Now what you need to do here, it's simple and easy. Connect your wallet from here. For example, if you like to connect your Bybit wallet, you can. After that, as you can see, just log into your accounts and click on confirm. As you can see, our wallet is connected to the THENA websites. Now what you need to do here is select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT. Now here type how much you want to buy, but make sure first that you have enough USDT on your wallet. As you can see, this is how much you receive. So this is the information of your of your transaction. As you can see here, no, because I don't have any USDT on my wallet, I can't see here the buy option. So for you, you will see here the buy options. Just click on it, and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy the Monkey, Wise Monkey token on a THENA Fusion. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.